I will not inject the pusod, no, not the pusod. Sit down, yan. Because I cannot reach for you there. So, when you inject your mom and dad, you roll their sleeves like that, ha? Because you do not inject in the pusod. That's painful. So, this one, ha? Wait muna, ha? Or you clean up like that, ha? So, first, tell mom and dad. For mom and dad, you clean up first the arm. Okay? Oh, then put your hands there. Yan. And then we're going to air it up. Alright? Wait muna. Wait muna. And then, I'm going to ready the plaster. Okay, mami, hawak mo dito sa elbow. Kasi gagalaw ito, ha? Okay. Oh, ngayon, look at daddy! Look at daddy! Wow! Smile! Smile dun sa camera ni daddy! Smile!
Smile!
Wow!
Lollipop?
Lollipop yan, ha? One. Hawak mo na mabuti, mami, ha? 1, 2, 3. Lollipop! Yehey! Wow! Wow!
Oh,
Wow! Wow!
Super meow meow.
Wow! Ang galing naman! Ang galing!
What's inside?
Kasi inside.
Yeah! Ang ganda ng smile. Okay.
Pink.
Thanks!